Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, pakinggan na natin to. Very hot topic dahil buntis daw si Bea Bores, okay? And i-confirm naman yata niya dito, okay?
Dito pa.
Di nga eh, kinakabahan na talaga ako eh.
Huwag ka kakabahan.
Bakit umiyak si Andrea Brillantes? Siguro happy for her. Okay, sige, sure. Okay, so
Alam
ni Mami Oni?
Oo, siya nga yung dahilan kung bakit ko nalaman eh. Nagkikwento siya, sabi niya, basta Bea, gawin mo na lahat, huwag ka lang magpabuntis. Tapos sabi ko, Mami, I'm 5 days delayed. Pero like sinabi ko yun nang wala lang. Kasi sanay.
okay, so let's start first dito sa sa proseso na to. Kasi 'di ba yung mga babae po kasi, 'di ba nireregla yung mga yan. Boys, makinig kayo para alam nyo. So once a month naglalabas sila nung yung ovaries nila nag-ovulate sila. So itong ovulation na to mas mataas or almost guaranteed yung pagbubuntis ng babae pag doon kayo nagtalik. Okay? So merong mga app na actually tracking yung cycle ng babae para kung gusto nyo magkaanak, you are in the process of conceiving, pwede nyo gamitin yung mga apps na yun. I forgot the name of the app pero I've seen it before. Okay, so after nun, magtatalik yung babae at lalaki, tapos yung egg will travel to the fallopian tube para ma-fertilize siya doon. Okay, so sa fallopian tube muna, hindi pa doon sa uterus ng isang babae, magkaibang part yon. Okay, so this after a fertile egg is called a zygote. Okay, so there would I think 5 to 7 days lang tong proseso na to or a week, ganyan lang yan. Tapos pupunta na siya sa ano ng babae, sa uterus ng babae, tapos yun na mag-aano na doon. Magiging baby na yon, or kung kailan mo paniniwala na when life starts. Okay, so alright, so tuloy na natin banda rito. Ito kasi yung testing eh.
Kinakabahan ka, hindi?
Yan. Of course, kinakabahan yan. Normal.
Ilawan mo nga. Ay, kinakabahan ako eh. Meron eh, no? Oo eh.
Okay, so this is a pregnancy test. Okay, pregnancy test yan. Isang PT. So, paano ba po ba gumagana ang isang pregnancy test, mga lods? Okay, ang pregnancy test po ay tinetest niya yung hormonal changes sa babae. Itong hormonal changes na to can be detected dun sa ihi ng babae. Kasi nga, the body is preparing for child rearing inside the woman. So, yung pagbubuntis produces hormones, diba? Hormonal change. Kaya kita nyo, yung mga buntis, parang naiiba yung behavior nila because of this hormonal change. So, as men, we have to understand this. Kaya kailangan tayo ang mag-adjust. Okay, so, let's begin. Okay, let's start pala. Okay, kasi ang pagkaganyan na confirm na, ibig sabihin ilang days na siyang pregnant niyan. Na embryo na yung embryo na yung fetus dyan, yung bata dyan. Okay, so kasi may debate kasi kung when does life starts. Okay, does life start at conception or even earlier? Yung pagtatalik pa lang is a form of creation of life. So these are all debates na nangyayari ngayon kasi some people are pro, alam nyo na, pero hindi yan yung topic natin. We're just here to explain the process of pregnancy habang tayo ay chumichismis. Sayang kasi manonood na lang ako, hindi explain ko na lang din sa inyo. Tuloy.
Tubig ka nga ulit, try mo natin isa pa. Kasi kita mo, hindi siya clear talaga totally. Kita
Light.
mo, light siya may isa.
Pero
bakit ganon totally cleared? Ano yan? Goods na yan kasi sometimes malabo lang talaga yan. Ang isang pregnancy test, mga lods, is ang sabi ngayon is 99.9% accurate yan. Now, are there instances na kapag na mali ang isang pregnancy test? Halimbawa, nagwiwi ka, tapos nag-positive siya, hindi ka naman nakipagtalik, or worse yet, lalaki ka, tapos tinry mo yan, tapos nag-positive siya. It is said that, if I'm not mistaken this, kasi dating-dati ko pang nire-research yung mga ganito. Of course, I'm a father as well, so I know all of these things. So, there are instances na mali yung pregnancy test because of hormonal imbalance, particularly in the thyroid area. I'm not sure about that. You can Google that on your own. But if I'm remembering it correctly, ganun yung niya. Ganun yung dahilan niya kung bakit siya nagkakamali. Pero for all intent and purposes, 99.9% of the time, when a woman pees on this and nakipagtalik siya, you are pregnant. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Balikan natin. Maganda yung chismis eh. Oh.
Yan na, kita-kita ko ni.
Ayan.
Maaga pa.
Maaga pa, pero 5th day ko
Maaga.
nalaman siya ni.
Yan na, kita-kita mo na.
So, mas maganda dyan para mas accurate yung tracking is to go to an OB-GYN. OB-GYN, sila yung particular shoutouts kay Doc Cristel. Kasi OB-GYN na si Doc Cristel college mate ko yun nung araw So, doon nyo makikita kung kung yung age nung fetus, okay? I wanna call it as bata. Ewan ko kung bakit. Basta para sa akin, bata na yan eh. That's my point of view kasi iba yung point of view nyo. Pero tsaka na lang natin i-discuss yung mga yan. Mainit ang debate sa ganyan eh. So, let's move forward dito. Okay. Dito. Let's go.
Healthy. Next week na gender reveal ko, but
Next week yung gender reveal? Ha? Ibig sabihin, if next week na yung gender reveal, matagal na siyang buntis. Oh my God. Ibig sabihin, the rumors are true. Woo! Well, ganun talaga. Pero I'm really happy for Bea because she chose life. Okay? I don't care kung anong stand nyo dyan. If you are a man and you had coitus with a woman, you should be prepared na panagutan itong itong babae na to, di ba?
kasi, and I just want to say, kung girl ka man or boy, I will be the happiest as long as you're safe.
Medyo nakakaya ka. Wag ba? Ayoko maiyak kasi baka mabasta naman ako. Oh.
I'm sorry, cause I just want to say sorry to myself, cause
Probably hormonal changes yan kasi sometimes me look at me being scientific and all of that. Yeah. Kasama yan yung pagiging ganyan.
isn't how I imagined doing this.
Okay lang yan, Bea.
I'm just so proud of myself. Cause
Okay, so I'll interrupt first dun sa science. Okay, so let's start first sa ating pag-usapan muna natin yung trimestral breakdown. So, it takes 40 weeks for the fetus to develop into a full-grown human, a baby or a human. Okay, so etong 40 weeks na to, it is split into 3 parts. Okay, first sem, second sem, and third sem. Okay? Now, if nagje-gender reveal na si Bea, I assume na nandito na siya sa bandang second sem. Okay? Second semester lang. Now, si Bea kasi is petite na babae, maliit lang siya. So, some women, hindi mo mapapaghalata ang buntis sila kasi maliit lang sila magbuntis. Yeah, different women has different size of sa womb nila, di ba? So, we're not sure kung saan yung exact date. Kung magge-gender reveal siya, probably nasa second semester na siya. Okay, so at least alam natin. Now, okay, so tanggalin muna natin yan and I'll talk to the boys first. Okay, so pumunta tayo dito. Okay, boys. Ngayon, boys, if you have unprotected sex, there is high chance na makabuntis kayo kahit nahugutin nyo. The hugot process is called coitus interruptus. I suggest that if you do not want to have a child, it's either you buy a condom. Of course, legal age po kayo kinakausap yung mga bata. Wag muna kayong magganito. But if you're going to have sexual intercourse with a woman, please have condom. Or kung ano naman, kung ayaw nyo talaga magbuntis and your partner, you regularly have sexual intercourse with your partner, pwede kayong yung Yaz ba yun or Jazz na tinatawag. Yeah, these are pills, birth control pills siya na available sa local drugstore nyo. Okay, so these are all the steps that you have to take if you do not want to rear a child. Okay, let's go back to the issue at hand. Ay, okay tuloy.
Kaya ko. Kinakaya ko. And I know that you're gonna be my biggest and greatest blessing I could ask for in life. And I promise you and to everyone gets to watch this in the future that I'll really be the best mom.
Very good. Very good si Bea. Palakpakan natin siya. Walang sound. But okay, so please watch this sa kanyang vlog sa kanyang channel. But I guess this is the best. For me, I'm really happy na she chose life instead of, alam nyo na, kasi artista si Bea and usually pag nabuntis ka, mababawasan yung projects mo na pwede mong gawin, di ba? Pero she chose to be a mother instead of yung career niya, di ba? Life versus career yan lagi. Anyway, mga lods, I'm very happy for Bea. Congratulations po sa inyo, ma'am. And boys, sana natuto kayo. Always choose life. Now, siguro next video, let's talk about yung isa na very controversial topic. Yan lang naman po yung sa akin for today. Gaya mga lods.